NFT. What is NFT? Non Fungible Token. But for understanding what non fungible token means, first we need to understand what do we exactly mean by fungibility. And for that, I will explain you with a live example. Right here, right now, I am standing in one of the most beautiful 7-star resort of Chennai, which is the Radisson Mamallapuram Resort. Here, there are 3 different types of rooms: the garden view room, the sea villa rooms, or the pool view rooms. If I was to choose between that pool villa or this pool villa, it really did not matter because both the pool villas are the same. They have the same amenities, they have the same view, and they have the same tariff. That's why these are interchangeable, and hence that's called fungibility, which means this pool view room and that pool view room is similar, interchangeable, and hence it's fungible. But if I was to tell you that I have this pool view room and you have a suite room, will you be willing to interchange? Of course not, because the amenities are different, the fare is different, the view is different, everything else about it is different, and both are unique and not interchangeable. And that's called non-fungibility.
And let me make it more simple for you. For example, I have 2 black t-shirts. Both have same price, same texture, same color, same pattern, same design, and everything is same. So it really does not matter if I give you this black t-shirt or if I give you this black t-shirt, because for 100 rupees you can have either of both, because either of which looks the same. But if we talk about this t-shirt, which is given by Nas Daily, and it is only given to creators who make one of the best videos, this t-shirt cannot be bought, but it can only be earned. So this t-shirt carries a very special value other than a normal looking black t-shirt. So these black shirts are fungible, interchangeable, still carrying the same value, does not matter whichever you pick. This t-shirt is non-fungible. It is unique, it is not interchangeable, and has a very large value attached to it. Fungible means interchangeable but still holding the same value. Non-fungible means it can't be replaced, it's unique and has different value. Like you are you and I am me. We both are unique and we can't be replaced for each other. So, are we NFTs? Probably yes. After understanding the core concept of fungibility, let's see what a non-fungible token means. An NFT or non-fungible token acts like a deed of ownership for a digital item, allowing the buyer to prove that they own the one and only version of that image or anything in particular. So imagine this sketch of my mom and dad that I got made by a renowned artist and gifted them on their 25th anniversary. I love this painting so much, but in order to flaunt in front of people, I claim this to be my painting. What proof do you have to check if what I'm saying is actually true or not? In real world, intellectual property rights, patents, trademarks, copyrights, these are the legal rights that can prove ownership and creatorship of a certain thing. But only if I register for those. Because let's face it, these processes are a costly affair, take a lot of time, they are a tedious process, and also the documents can anytime be forged at someone's will. Plus, getting yourself covered all across the world is no guarantee. So imagine if you could tell in the digital world that this art is drawn by you and also prove it with authority. Not just art. For instance, this starry night photograph is clicked by you. This video is original dance creation of yours. This GIF is your idea. Even the music you made, your tweets, your Facebook, Instagram post, anything memorabilia that you can create can now be digitally claimed as yours with the help of NFT. Not that there are no frauds here in NFT space, but for the rightful creators, they get their due share of credit with a way easier and economical process. Now that you have understood about NFT basics, let's understand some basic terminology and answer the commonly asked question around NFT.